Hey guys, what's going on? ConfermentRM here, back with another Bitcoin 2-minute technicals video, and as you can see, we're getting ourselves into kind of some downwards action, but we did get that push upwards. We were talking about seeing some sort of move up to the upside. It looks like that did come true a little bit later in the day, but you can see it kind of held our trend and then came up here to the 0.5. That's why we always give ourselves the two targets. You guys remember that? We give ourselves the first target and then the second target. You see the first target was up there to around 26,777. The other one was there around 7,250. Just under the 618 right here on the longer period, as you can see. But as you can see, we weren't able to break through it, and we're now reversing to the other side. So let's get rid of some lines and give ourselves another shot at what we should see for the rest of the weekend. So what we can do is sort of something like this, right? Kind of give ourselves right here, the tops of these, top here, and these on that side, hitting right here as well. So grab ourselves another trend line, get rid of this one. We don't really need that anymore. And grab this. You can even see here that would have been like that. So technically it is breaking to the downside. And you would see with that move, you would be yielding, let's see, by around 3 to 4 o'clock in the morning, getting back down there to around like 26,150. That's that first move. If it were to actually close this candle out in 30 minutes, it would start solidifying that movement to the downside. You can see here by the RSI, we're losing the strength. We tried getting above it, and now it's knocking back, hit back in the last one, and now it looks like it is coming in for a further retrace. As we know, we kind of move in waves downwards, and especially from here down, and then maneuvering up. If we were to grab that, it'd be the same sort of thing, right? Getting our slow maneuver back down, hitting around the 30, because we got the retracement up, we got knocked back, and this is exactly kind of what you expect. The wavering and not so enthusiastic price action, but as you can see here in the hourly, we had a lot of volume to get us up here to our retracement zone. As you can see, volume is dwindling off now. So you can see the volume profile is coming down. We're losing support here on the RSI, and we're starting to break below the 236. We tried retracing, hit the 0.5, and couldn't get through it either. So I'm more leaning towards the $26,100, $150 region first, and then technically then after that you take the bottom of this, which would actually be around the low end target of being right here in the middle of the channel, right this region right here, around 25,750, and then obviously we have our low that we were kind of expecting at 25,937, or sorry, 397. My bad, but could extend it downwards. You can see that it would just be something like this, but obviously it'll be easy to invalidate, but we kind of go more towards on a short-term period. You could even grab this from here, grab it here. You could do from the top here across, do something more like this if you really wanted to. But I think if you were to even grab that, I think it's the same move pretty much. It doesn't really change. So I'm looking at that. I guess I'm looking for around 26,135, 26,150. And then for a larger move, if it were to correct further, 26,735. But on the upside, if it were to break up throughout the day, I would just be expecting another retest around that 2677 really. And if it were to actually pump back through 27,200. But obviously, what we're going to wind up doing, though, is I'm looking more for the downside. You're going to grab a chart like we are here, and you can see it needs to hold 26,446 to kind of get its push upwards. But what I'm really intrigued with is doing a high to a low that just set. It would need to get through 26,476. Sorry, 726. I'm so sorry about that, but that would be almost. I don't even think that would be totally feasible. I mean, maybe it would be. How much would that move actually be? That would be around a 2% rise. It's not crazy, but it wouldn't necessarily fit the narrative. See, down, retracement up, fall, down, retracement up, fall. Maybe another stop. I think maybe perhaps it looks like it wants to get that stop there first, at least around that 26,150. get down here and then get a retrace back up and then kind of retrace back down. I think it's just gonna be a washing machine for the summertime. Honestly, I think it's just gonna come back down here, fly up, and then come back down, and then fly up, and then come back to the middle, fly. I think they just do something more sort of choppy. It's gonna play with emotions, I definitely think. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. I appreciate every single one of you. Hope you're having a wonderful Thursday or Friday, depending on where you are. But remember, none of it's financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just kind of giving you my ideas. Hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Appreciate it. And I'll see you next time.